Amazon has just dropped a massive surprise for Samsung fans. The biggest discount yet on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung's most complete and refined foldable smartphone to date. Whether you're a long-time Galaxy user or someone looking to experience the future of mobile tech, this deal might just be your golden opportunity. During Amazon's October Prime Day event, both the 256GB and 512GB unlocked versions of the Z Fold 7 are available at a staggering $400 off, making this one of the most generous offers of 2025. And here's the best part. There are no carrier locks, no trade-in hassles, and no hidden conditions. Just pure savings on Samsung's best foldable yet. In this video, we'll explore what makes the Galaxy Z Fold 7 the ultimate foldable phone, how it outshines the competition, and how you can redeem this incredible deal before it's gone. So, let's unfold the full story behind this amazing offer. Amazon is giving Samsung Z Fold 7 shoppers its most generous discount yet. And if you've been waiting for the perfect moment to jump into the world of foldables, that moment has officially arrived. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 nails almost every aspect of a modern handset, becoming the most complete foldable I've tested to date. And now, thanks to Amazon's October Prime Day sale, you can save up to $400 on this incredible piece of technology. Since we're almost at the end of the year, I'll be the first to say it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the best foldable phone I've tested in 2025. It outperforms what Google, Motorola, and OnePlus have brought to the table, and Samsung's latest upgrades make it deserving of that title. This is a phone that takes everything Samsung has learned from years of innovation and folds it, quite literally, into one elegant, powerful device. That's why these latest discounts are worth acknowledging. If you've been eyeing an unlocked model with no strings attached, no locked carrier plans, no trade-in restrictions, now is the best time to pull the trigger. I tested the Z Fold 7 earlier this summer, and I was instantly impressed by how much lighter and thinner the design has become. This year's model features Samsung's slimmest and lightest foldable frame ever, making it surprisingly comfortable to carry and easy to use even as your daily driver. The improved hinge design feels sturdy yet refined, opening smoothly and closing with a reassuring snap, all while reducing bulk to the point where it feels more like a regular phone than a futuristic gadget. The first thing you'll notice is that the slimmer body doesn't compromise on power. Inside, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same powerful processor found in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, paired with 12GB of RAM for uncompromised multitasking. Whether you're editing videos, streaming 4K content, or running demanding apps, the Fold 7 handles it all effortlessly. And speaking of performance, one of the biggest improvements this year comes from its upgraded 200MP main camera, borrowed directly from the S25 Ultra, finally addressing one of the main complaints users had with earlier Fold models. The results are stunning, crystal clear images, accurate colors, and professional level detail that make it a true flagship camera system. From vibrant daytime shots to low-light photography, the Fold 7 now competes with the very best, offering a photography experience that matches its price tag. On the front, the massive 8-inch internal display continues to impress. When unfolded, you get a tablet-like experience that's perfect for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. The screen is vibrant, ultra-smooth, and supports split screen and floating window multitasking like no other device. Personally, I found it ideal for checking Uber and Lyft fares side by side while traveling, comparing restaurants while streaming a video, or even gaming while catching up on sports highlights. The Fold 7 transforms everyday tasks into a truly immersive experience. It's also worth noting that the outer display, now brighter and more responsive, makes quick tasks like messaging and scrolling feel seamless without unfolding the phone. But as we all know, great technology usually comes at a cost, and the Z Fold 7 is no exception. Normally, this phone starts at around $2,120, depending on your storage choice, which is steep even by flagship standards. That's what makes this Amazon deal so special. For a limited time, both the 256GB and 512GB models are available at a $400 discount. You can grab the 256GB version for $1,719 or the 512GB version for $1,869, fully unlocked and ready to use with any carrier you prefer. This is one of the most generous offers we've seen since the phone's release earlier this year. And considering it's only been on the market for a few months, this kind of discount is rare. It's important to highlight that this deal is completely unlocked, meaning you won't be tied to long-term contracts or carrier-specific plans. You buy it, you own it, no strings attached. This makes it perfect for anyone who values flexibility or travels frequently and prefers to switch SIMs. While $400 might not sound groundbreaking at first, it's a huge deal for a device of this caliber and brand new release window. According to ZDNET, this offer earns a solid 3 out of 5 on our editor's deal rating scale. Impressive for a premium flagship foldable. But as with all great deals, timing is everything. Prime Day deals don't last forever, and Amazon's discounts can disappear faster than you think, especially on high-demand items like this. So if you've been debating whether to make the leap into the world of foldables, this is your sign to go for it. What's even more impressive is that Samsung has managed to make all these improvements without sacrificing durability. The new aluminum frame, stronger hinge, and ultra-thin glass layer are designed to withstand years of daily folding and unfolding, proving that Samsung has truly perfected the craft. The Z Fold 7 also supports the S Pen, turning it into a portable productivity hub where you can jot down notes, sketch ideas, or sign documents with pinpoint accuracy. For those who use their phones for work, this could replace a tablet entirely. Battery life has also seen meaningful improvements thanks to Samsung's power optimization. Even with its large screen and top-tier processor, the 4,600 mAh battery comfortably lasts a full day of heavy usage, and fast charging ensures you're never out of power for long. Samsung has clearly listened to its users and refined every detail that matters. Beyond just hardware, Samsung's software ecosystem also shines on the Fold 7. The new One UI interface adapts beautifully to the foldable format, allowing apps to seamlessly transition between screens. It's smart, intuitive, and feels natural, something even Google's Pixel Fold still struggles with. Add in the improved multitasking toolbar, task continuity, and enhanced app layouts, and you've got a productivity powerhouse in your pocket. For professionals, content creators, or even casual users who want more out of their devices, this is simply the best foldable experience you can get in 2025. Now, let's talk about how to redeem this deal. Head over to Amazon's Prime Day section and look for the official Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 listing. Ensure it's marked as sold by Amazon to get the genuine discount. You'll find both the 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes variants at $400 off in multiple color options. Once added to your cart, the discount will automatically apply at checkout. No coupon code needed. Remember, the deal is valid only during Amazon's October Prime Day event and while stocks last, so it could expire or sell out any time. For those who miss out, Net's Deal Tracker continues to monitor the best offers available year-round, but right now, this is the one worth grabbing. With Samsung's growing dominance in the foldable space, the Z Fold 7 stands as a symbol of how far the technology has come. It's no longer a futuristic experiment. It's a refined, polished, and practical device ready for everyday use. Samsung has clearly outclassed rivals like Motorola's Razr and Google's Pixel Fold, offering a superior balance of innovation, reliability, and software excellence. As 2025 draws to a close, the Fold 7 cements Samsung's leadership in the foldable segment, proving that innovation done right still excites the market. For those who crave cutting-edge design, top-tier performance, and unmatched versatility, this is the smartphone of the year. The combination of Amazon's massive discount and Samsung's flawless execution makes this deal too good to ignore. So whether you're upgrading from traditional flagship or diving into foldables for the first time, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will not disappoint. And if you're looking for more great offers, Amazon's October Prime Day is filled with amazing tech discounts on everything from smartwatches to laptops, making it the perfect time to upgrade your entire setup. Just remember, great deals don't last forever, and neither will this one. Make your move now, before prices rise again. And as always, for more breaking tech news, exclusive deals, and unbiased reviews, make sure to subscribe to TechVerse, your ultimate source for everything innovation. If you value portability, productivity, and premium design, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is absolutely worth it, especially at this $400 discount. It's the most complete foldable ever made, combining power, beauty, and practicality into one perfect device. Grab this deal while it lasts, and stay tuned to TechVerse for more incredible tech updates, reviews, and money-saving tips that keep you one step ahead in the world of technology.